Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you top 10 add-ons that you'll find within Chef Wizard. At the same time I will also show you best builds out there that you can use, that you will also find within this Chef Wizard. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. So the first thing to do when you want to have any build on your device is to go to open your Kodi, and then on the home screen, home menu, click on the gear icon or settings icon. Once you get here, scroll down and click on systems. On the system interface, you will see the add-ons and other options. Click on add-ons. Now once you click on it, it brings out this window, this interface. So click on unknown sources. Then once you click on this, once this pops up, click yes. Now at this point, all you have to do is to click the back button on your remote, and then when you get here, nothing much is needed to do much. Just click on the file manager. Once you click on it, once you get here, click on add source, and then click on source. Then enter this URL the way it is. You have https https tinyurl.com/one Diggz 123 Diggz 123. So make sure you double check, triple check the URL before you input the code and click go. 122. Okay. Once you finish this, next thing to do is to click OK. Once you click OK and you get here, sometimes by default the name for the URL is automatically inputted, but if in your own case is not there, you can name it anything you want, so that you can easily remember. Then click OK, and then click on the back button on your remote once. When you get to this point, click on add-ons, and when you get here, scroll down and click on install from zip file, and then click OK, and then click on the name you saved the media file with. Remember a while ago we used Diggz 123 automatically, so it's still here what we're going to choose here. If you use a different name, you can choose the name here. Click this and then click this also, and then wait for the installation complete to show, which has shown in our screen. Then click on install from repository. When you get here, you'll see all repositories, Diggz repositories, add on the repository. So here you will click on Diggz repository. Once you click on it, once you get here, now I will show you the list of the add-ons within this build. You click on video add-ons. So once you click on it, you will see these are the list of add-ons within this build. See the add-ons. See the add-ons. See the add-ons. Like so many add-ons, okay? So you can choose any of these add-ons here to have on your device. So, but since we're not going for any add-ons, I'm just gonna show you the add-ons here. So click on the back button on your remote, and then once more, click on it once, and then once you get back to this stage, to this point, now you click on, since we are going for add build, so click on program add-ons. Once you click on it, you will see the list of wizards within this program add-ons. So in this, for the sake of this video, we are going for the one of Chef Wizard. So I'll click on Chef Wizard. Then once I get to this point, I click on install, then click OK. So it will initiate the whole process, and then we move to the next step. So while waiting for this to finish, if you need to this channel, please subscribe, enable notification, and then always check out videos 2 times a week. I'll be seeing you guys in other videos I'll be doing. Okay, so once this is done, we open it, and then click open. Once we get to this point, on the next window we will see we are going to head on to build menu. So when we get here, you click on build menu. Once you click on build menu, you will see the list of builds within here. So these are the builds you will find within this Chef Wizard. So here we are choosing one of the build here to install. So for me, I will choose, because there are a lot of builds here, so you can choose any of this build. But for me, I have tested all of them. I have tested the first, second, and third one. Even the fourth one, they all work perfectly. So you can choose any one you want. But in this case, I will choose the first one. And then once I click on it, this pops up, the dialog box. Then I will click continue, and then it will start initiating. So everything will start download and install. Then that's it. Once it's finished, I will first close my code, and that's it. So okay, you see it's already done. This is a very lightweight build. So this is how to have this build on your device, and I also show you a lot of add-ons within this Chef Wizard. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any questions about this video, drop it in the comment section. Believe me, I'm gonna be willing to answer them as